social engineer.
Ay, pakita na.
Alright, so today is December 6th and I'll be going to UP Diliman to judge the hackathon for flood that's organized by CPU. So very excited to see the output that the participants will be presenting later. I mean, it's very personal to me given that I live here in Navotas where flooding usually happens, although it has been mitigated through several means and we receive way less than what we used to get, but still in times of where the what do you call this, where the floodgate and other stuff have problems, we still get flooding when we get those. And sometimes when it just rains way too much, it still gets flooded sometimes. So you know, very excited to see what their solutions can help with. So I'm running a little bit late, so I need to go now, so let's go.
He is the General Manager of Philippines at Vidaura, a video-first talent platform built for the hospitality and front-facing industries. He leads Vidaura's expansion and partnerships in the Philippines, bringing people first, hiring and modern recruitment tools to local businesses. He also serves as engineering team lead at the Outsourced People and is active in the Philippine tech community through PWA Pilipinas, where he regularly speaks about product engineering, UX, AI, and community-driven tech. He is also passionate about building technology that empowers Filipino talent and creates meaningful opportunities. A warm round of applause for Mr. Andre Cito or Andre de Guzman. So with that,
Uy, Kelo, tingnan mo, sira-sira. Maayos pa kaya yan?
Ilan ba to? December 20, 2025.
SDG 16 and 4 may represent to you Biboto, bilang Pilipino, boboto sa tapat at totoo, maging bibo kasama ang Biboto.
It's too late when the money is gone. So, here are the images of the examples ng corruption. So, first is the
na na-develop this hackathon. So, back na ba ako nandito?
Kita ko, marami kayong mga like upskilling stuff, diba? Pero nagkaroon ba kayo ng mga ganitong hackathon?
Wala pa. Meron kasi mag-organize.
Oo nga, nagulat din kami na ang daming pumunta. Ay, galing
Pumunta
mo
ako
sana pa.
para sa ating mga judges. So now, dumako na tayo sa ating second to the left.
So ito yung mga nag-stand out per criteria, per category. So hindi naman ibig sabihin na hindi mo ganyan iba. Ibig sabihin lang na nag-stand out sila. And of course, continue yung mga ginawa nyo kasi maganda sila na solutions. So So yun, gawin nyo na ng LinkedIn post, blog post, tsaka gawin nyo ng ano nyo, pang portfolio, and yun, tuloy-tuloy nyo lang yung ano, sorry. Protective. Tuloy-tuloy nyo lang yung ano, project na ginawa nyo kasi for sure, makakatulong yan para sa tao. Pero ito na, ready na ba kayo? Okay. Ang first award is Tech for Good. Okay. Tech for Good Award. So, sino kaya yung group na feeling mandalo? Okay. Okay, mag-ingay dahil ang manalo ay Social Engineers. Tech for Good. Yeah. Okay. Next is ito, yung Innovation Award. So, parang pinaka-best use of tech, di ba? Okay, ready na ba kayo? Okay. Anong letter kaya? Wala. Okay, ang winner ay Gravity! Best Innovation Award. Congrats! Ano yung last, no? Ano to? Impactful Solution Award. So, pinaka-may impact. Lasting impact. So, ang winner ay... Ready na ba kayo?
Gabriel, Gabriel!
Yeah, Gabriel. Ready na ba? Okay, ang winner ay... Debugging Shenanigans. Congratulations.
Ang ganda ng lahat ng mga naisip nyo at nakaka-amaze na ang layo ng ang laki ng progress na nagawa nyo, ang laki ng mga nagawa nyo in just a span of 6 hours. Ito na nga ang pagbabago na kinakailangan ng Pilipinas para tuluyan tayo. Ma-engage pa namin kayo moving forward. So, nag-register naman.
Okay, so thank you po mula sa ating participants, sa Computer Professionals Union.
madami. Pwede kang mag-PSP.
Pagpinan ko. Ay, pagpinan. Kapatid ko. Skim. Picture tayo. Picture mo kaming dala. Picture. Ay, camera mo na lang. Gusto mo
Hindi,
kita.
ito.
Ayan,
Ayun naman. Kaya nga.
Pero kahapon nag-set up na kami. Kahapon ng 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Tapos 7 a.m.
Additionally, we are a platform. We're going to have a website in which we are going to cater yung mga exclusive merchandise na under only sa Project CC.
Ito meron.